In this video, how to fix cannot access BIOS after disable the CSM support on BIOS. For example, I'm trying to disable the CSM support on this Ashrock motherboard in Otter to enable the secure boot support. However, after restarting, I can no longer access the BIOS. Here are the things I tried, but they did not work. To get back into the BIOS, I had to remove the CMOS battery to reset the BIOS to its default settings. To solve this issue, first, disable CSM support as usual. After disabling CSM support, you need to enable 4G decoding. You can do it from PCI configuration in the Advanced tab. Once that is done, press F10 to save the changes and restart your computer. As you can see, it works as expected. CSM support is now disabled, and we can enable secure boot normally. Steps on a gigabyte motherboard. Steps on an MSI motherboard. Steps on an Asus motherboard. Steps on a BioStar motherboard. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.